Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I will tell you about the Python. In Python, there are many various types of data types which are built-in available, like integer, character, float, byte, double, etc. I will create a variable and I will show you that how you can see the data type of this variable. I will print type x, and when I run this, it's going to connect. You can see the data type of this variable is integer. I typecast it. Now in the output window, you can see the data type of this variable has changed from integer to float. If I create a string variable, and I run the code, you will see in the output window it shows that the data type of this variable is string. If I assign a value like 3.4 to the variable x, automatically the data type of this variable will shift to float. If I write to iota, it will change its data type from float to complex. If I assign a list of values to this variable, you can see data type is converted from float to list.